Hi ladies and gentlemen, we have a build of a island bar set. You're given a parts list. You're given every single part. Please go over every single part carefully and make sure you're able to do your build. Everything is numbered. Step 1. I'm going to put everything together. You're going to get all the parts you need in step 1. And you're going to start to assemble. Remember, you got some holes. Make sure they face the correct way. Place in your bolt. With the Allen key, you're going to lock down. You're going to look for D's and dog. And that should be all these bolts here. Repeat for the bottom the best you can. According to the instructions, you're going to lift, turn upside down, take the wheel casters. These are the locking casters that go on the back that side. You're going to match all this up the best you can and lock it in. You're going to have number C, your board. What you're going to do is make some room. Anything's in your way, move it to the side, lay the board down, place this on top of the board. Align the holes and match like for like. Even though the box was heavy, this is pretty light, believe it or not. You can simply just flip it over. There you go. They're all built. You got your table nicely built. According to the instructions, you're going to need one set of C, F, and 8. And 9. So you got this ring, you got this part right here that it's got a little curvature, and you're going to mount it like so, and you're going to take A, which are the short bolts right here, and you're going to just do things loosely. We have one for here and one for the back, and you're going to tighten these both up. That's the where you're going to need just those 2 Allen keys. Congratulations, you're done. We have a stool. They sit underneath. Clean up. Put all your tools away. The portable table goes just about anywhere imaginable. It matches the kitchen real nice. It has a stool, so if you want breakfast, lunch, or dinner, or just serving entertainment guests, and the stools are swivel. It is a nice height, a nice table, lightweight, very easy to clean, and very easy to decorate. It is pretty sturdy indeed. If you need to move the table, it has wheels. The casters have locking mechanisms that you can lock. The stools go underneath, and underneath you can take some of your stuff and you can store it away on a nice table. It'd be out of the way. So if you got drinks, food, liquor, whatever, whatnot, you can take your little entertainment stuff, and when you're ready to serve, you can pull it out and off you go. If you have a garden room, a patio that you can put this outside like a deck, this is an awesome product for outdoor entertainment that you can simply store away and put a cover on. I hope you enjoy, again, your product.